Okay. So let's start with another equation. Okay. So now we have HCl, we have KOH, we have KCl, we have water. Well, we have to look at their physical state. HCl is aqueous, KOH is aqueous, KCl is aqueous, water is liquid. We are going to split only those substances that are in aqueous state. Okay. So first thing is we will write down this equation. Okay. That's the equation. Next step, we will split these compounds into their respective ions. So HCl will split into H positive ion and Cl negative ion. Reason? Because there is one hydrogen and one chloride. Okay. If H got positive charge, then Cl will get negative charge. We know that Cl is in group 7, always gain one electron. Hydrogen lose one electron. So they got +1 charge. This one got -1 charge. Now the next species, which is KOH. Okay. Now potassium is in group 1, so it will carry +1 charge when it dissolve in water, and OH will get -1 charge, the whole OH. Okay. KOH, it's an ionic compound. OH is the negative part and K is the positive part. Okay. K got +1 charge, OH got -1 charge. Product are done. Let's move on. Sorry, reactants are done. We are moving on the product side. Okay. Now on the product side, what we have? We have KCl, which is aqueous. So it will split into the ions. Well, again, potassium will got +1 charge when dissolved in water. Chloride will get -1 charge. Now, what about water? Are we going to split the water into the ions? No. Why? Because look at the physical state of water. They mention it's a liquid. It's not an ionic compound. It's a covalent. And obviously, it's not aqueous as well. It's water. So it's liquid. Now we are done with the second step. What we need to do? Well, we need to cut down the ions that are same on both sides. Same charge, same quantity. Okay, K positive, K positive. Okay, what else is left? Cl negative, Cl negative. What we call them? Spectators ion. That's the word we use for them. Spectator ions. Now, what are spectator ions? The ions that are not going to take part in the chemical reaction. They are in the solution, but they are not going to take or participate in the chemical reaction. So we are not going to write down in the chemical equation. Now, the third step is we are going to write down the equation with the remaining ions. So what else is left on reactant side? H positive. So you will write down H positive as it is. What else is left? OH negative. You will write on OH negative as it is. Okay. Is there any other reactant? No. Okay. Now the product side. We have water only on the product side. Let's write down the physical state. Water is liquid. What about the ions? Hydrogen ion and OH ion. Well, the ions, they are always aqueous. So you will write down AQ as in the subscript. Okay. That's your final ionic equation for the for this equation, like the neutralization reaction. Okay. Did you get it? How to like write down the ionic equation, Fateh?
Yes.
Good. Okay, let's move on the next one.